My name's Zeke. I'm just your average 13-year-old, but I'm slowly turning into a bird. I'm Zeke with a Beak.
Man, performing live is for the birds.
Say that again.
Oh, come on. It wasn't that bad.
Not that bad, Nash. I laid a literal egg out there. That thing was the size of a basketball. I'd be surprised if they ever get the yolk out of the floorboards. We can kiss Battle of the Bands goodbye.
I meant, at least we still get free food. Look, I'm sure it wasn't that bad, okay? So what if we're disqualified from something we spent countless nights and weekends perfecting, and everyone now knows Zeke's big secret? What's the big deal?
Why do I feel worse?
Okay, say all that is true. At least we're still Avian Flu, the kick-butt ska trio that's gonna tour the world, just as soon as we get a few more gigs under our belt.
Thanks, Nash. But it's not just that. I was trying to impress Parker. With her work in the event, she had a front row seat to me going full bird brain out there.
Chip?
You guys, that was amazing! You got an encore in ya?
Encore?
Yeah. It's stage lingo for, can you do another one?
We know what encore means, but they liked us?
No. They loved you! Everyone out there is doing the bird.
Holy crow! It's a sea of Zekes!
They do the bird?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know what to call that dance you were doing out there.
Oh, the bird. Yeah, that's what it's called.
It's showtime, boys. Let's rock and robin.
Time to get our swan song on.
Hey, Zeke?
Yeah.
I know that you're probably gonna be busy being like a big, huge rock star, touring the world and stuff, but, I was wondering if maybe you could teach me that dance sometime?
How's right now?
Sure.